this storm just be over already?
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for Lawrence County, Greene County,
That's us.
County until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Another 2 inches will be possible in some areas.
No!
Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
No!
Creeks, streams, and low water crossings will be especially susceptible to the dangers of flash flooding.
I'm sorry for being weird, but this is
Locations in the warning include Springfield, Republic, Monet, Aurora, Battlefield, Willard, Mount Vernon, Stratford,
2 flash flood warnings?
Grove, Pierce City, Lockwood, Miller, Walnut Grove.
Tell me why this is happening!
Brookline, Stock City.
Tell me why this is happening!
Not limited to the following low.
Why does this happen?
Route CC West of Fair.
Why? Why does this happen?
Highway 97 at the Spring River north of
It should not happen at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Southwest Springfield. Route C at the Little Sac River north of Stratford. And Highway 97 just south of Stop City. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminently occurring.
You know what? I'm
If
just...
you are in the Warren area, move to higher ground.
Sorry for being weird, you guys.
Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
I live in a lake.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
See that red light?
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties. In Missouri, Dade, Greene, and Lawrence.
I'm sorry for being weird. I'm just having a kind of a bad day because we get severe storms all the time.
A flood warning remains in effect.
I just have enough of it.
5 a.m. Central.
See? First off, I got a flash flood warning, then a flash flood warning, then a... That's all it. Don't know what to do anymore. Because you can take a look outside, it's about to be morning. And you can see some little flooding in our driveway, and you can see a little bit of thunder. Yeah, this is stupid. I'm done. I'm done. See you guys later, but I'm done. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'm just done. Done. Bye.